Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of gardening that fits into your lifestyle. Today, we're tackling a topic that resonates with many of us: plants that are low maintenance, yet lush and rewarding. If you're someone who loves the idea of a garden but lacks the time, energy, or memory to water them regularly, this one's for you. We're talking about 10 incredible plants that pretty much water themselves, perfect for the laid back gardener. So, let's dig in. First up, we have the resilient succulents. These beauties store water in their fleshy leaves, which means they thrive on neglect. Just place them in a sunny spot and watch them flourish. They come in a variety of shapes and colors, turning any space into a miniature desert oasis. Plus, the less you water them, the happier they seem to be, making them the ideal plant for the forgetful gardener. Next on our list is the snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue. Known for its striking upright leaves, this plant is a champion of survival. It can tolerate low light and long periods without water. In fact, overwatering is one of the few ways you can harm it. So give it a spot with indirect light, water sparingly, and let it do its magic. Then there's the ZZ plant, a true testament to minimal care with maximum return. The ZZ plant can survive in low light conditions and can go weeks between waterings. Its glossy leaves add a touch of elegance to any room. You'll often find it in offices because it's so undemanding and yet visually appealing. Moving on, the ponytail palm is not actually a palm, but it's just as easy to care for. It stores water in its bulbous trunk, allowing it to go weeks without a drink. It thrives on neglect, and its whimsical appearance makes it a fun addition to any space. A sunny spot will keep it happiest. Our fifth contender is the cast iron plant. True to its name, it's nearly indestructible. It can handle low light, low humidity, and infrequent watering. It's perfect for those who might travel a lot or simply forget about their indoor jungle from time to time. Just give it a shady corner and let it thrive. Let's not forget the aloe vera, a plant that's not only easy to care for, but also has medicinal benefits. It's perfect for sunny windowsills and can go long periods without water thanks to its water-retentive leaves. Just make sure the soil is dry before you water it again and enjoy its dual-purpose nature, both beautiful and useful. Our seventh pick is the pothos, a popular choice for hanging baskets or pots. It's a tough plant that can handle low light and erratic watering. Its trailing vines can brighten up any room, and you can even propagate it easily in water. It's the perfect plant for someone who wants a bit of green without too much fuss. Now let's talk about the Chinese money plant, also known as Pilea. It's known for its round, coin-like leaves and easygoing nature. This plant appreciates a bright spot, but can delay a few watering misses here and there. Its unique look makes it a conversation starter, and as a bonus, it's said to bring financial prosperity. Next is the spider plant, a classic houseplant that's been a favorite for generations. It's known for its cascading stems adorned with baby plants, or spiderettes. Spider plants are incredibly forgiving and can bounce back from neglect with ease. They're also excellent air purifiers, making them a healthy addition to any home. Finally, we have the jade plant, often considered a symbol of good luck and prosperity. It thrives in bright light and only needs watering when its soil is completely dry. Its thick, succulent leaves store water, making it a sturdy choice for the forgetful gardener. Give it a sunny windowsill and watch it grow into a beautiful miniature tree. So there you have it, 10 incredible plants that pretty much water themselves, making them perfect for lazy or busy gardeners. With these plants, you can enjoy the beauty of nature indoors without the constant worry of watering schedules. Happy gardening!